Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get seconds on Windows 10 clock, so you can see the time down to every second on your taskbar. Step 1. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. This is a quick way to access many system tools in Windows. Step 2. Type regedit in the box and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. The Registry Editor is where Windows stores advanced settings that are not normally visible. Step 3. Navigate to HK current user and software Microsoft Yo Windows current version Explorer in Advanced. This location holds settings for the Windows interface, including the taskbar. Step 4. Right-click on the right pane, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value, and name it ShowSecondsInSystemClock. This creates a new entry that allows Windows to show seconds. Step 5. Double-click the new entry, set its value to 1, click OK, and then restart your computer or Windows Explorer. After this, your clock will start showing seconds right on the taskbar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.